Hey, little artist! Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a cute little scene with a house, a big tree, a bright sun, and fluffy clouds.
Yay!
Are you ready to get creative? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, we'll start with the roof of our house. Draw a big triangle shape for the roof, right in the middle of the page. Perfect! Now, underneath the roof, let's draw the main part of the house, a square shape. There's our cozy house. Next, let's add a door so we can go inside. Draw a rectangle in one side of the house. Now, for the windows to let in lots of light. Draw a square with 4 parts on one side of the house. So cute! Now, let's draw a little chimney on top of the roof. Draw a small rectangle sticking up, and we'll add a brick pattern to make it look real. Let's add some bushes behind the house for extra cuteness. Draw small, bumpy shapes like little clouds near the sides of the house. Now, it's time for a big tree beside the house. Draw a tall trunk, and on top, make a big round shape for the leafy part. Our tree is looking so cozy next to the house. And let's not forget the sun. Draw a circle in the sky and add some lines around it to show it shining bright. To make the sky even cuter, let's add some fluffy clouds. Draw bumpy cloud shapes on either side of the sun. Finally, let's add some brick patterns to the chimney and the bottom part of the house wall. Draw small rectangles to make it look like real bricks. Wow, our scene looks amazing. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's go over the lines to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make our artwork really pop on the page. Nice job, everyone!
Yay!
Now, it's time to add some color. We'll use rainbow colors to make our scene super vibrant. Let's go! Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color. Purple color. Brown color. Light brown color. Fantastic job, artists! Our scene is colorful and cute, perfect for a sunny day. Wow, we did it! Our cute house scene with a big tree, sun, and clouds is all done. Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super fun and colorful house using just shapes.
Yay!
Let's go grab our black marker and get started. Let's start with the roof of our house. First, draw a triangle on the left side. Now draw a rectangle right next to it. This completes the roof shape. Now from the roof, let's draw 3 straight vertical lines going down. Then draw a long horizontal line at the bottom to connect them. Now let's add a door in the front. Draw a tall rectangle in the middle part of the wall. Let's add a cute window next to the door. Draw a rectangle with a line in the middle. Then add a little wavy shade on top. What a cozy house! Now draw a long rectangle below the house. And here comes the cutest part. Draw a little heart shape on the triangle part of the roof. Ah! This house is full of love. Nice job, everyone. Now take your black marker again and trace over the lines to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your artwork pop out beautifully. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. And guess what? We're using rainbow colors today. Let's name them together while we color. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Well done, little artists! You just created a beautiful rainbow house using shapes. Be proud of yourself and don't forget to show your artwork to your family. Subscribe for more fun art here at Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.